So this is today's lesson. Today's lesson is about my family, and this is how we say my family in Arabic. Okay, let us read together. Yeah, Usrati.
Usrati.
Yes, correct. Usrati. Yeah, Usrati. Okay, Usrati means my family. So which part of the word is my? And which part of the word is family? Can you guess by looking at
The
this
ya
word?
part is my,
The ya part is my, correct? And
and the rest is family. Usrata.
yes, the rest is family. Good. But what is the word? Can you identify the word? Alif?
Usra.
Usrat.
Usra. Yes, good. Thank you. Alif, sin, ra, and the last ta is actually the ta marbuta. The round ta, yeah? The ta marbuta. Yes, correct. So this is the word, yeah? Okay, please write it down. This is the word to say a family. Usra. Alif, sin, ra, and ta. And this ta, you can always end it with a tanwin and dhamma. Usratun. Usratun. Usratun, family, and usrati is my family. Now, so this is the topic, yeah? Usra. So we are going to learn important words related to our family, especially the family members. How do you say father, mother, and so on? Okay, now I have prepared for you two conversation. So this is what we call conversation in Arabic. Okay, iqra'u al-hiwar.
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 Al-hiwar. Yeah, so the word is actually hiwarun. Hiwar. So hiwar or al-hiwar is conversation. Al-hiwar wahid, conversation number one. Okay, let us look at here. This is hiwar between or baina Ahmad wa Ali, between Ahmad and also Ali. Now let us read this together for Ahmad, yeah. And the meaning is here. I have prepared the meaning for you, but of course I will also translate the individual meaning the meaning for the individual words. Okay, but the actual meaning you can always refer to the translation. Okay, on the left side. All right. So let us read this together. Sabahul khairi.
Sabahul
Sabahul khairi.
Ya Ali.
Ya Ali.
Ali.
Yes. Sabahul khair. Ya Ali.
Sabahul khairi ya Ali.
Yes, Ya Ali. So here you have this Ya Ali. It means that this guy is talking to Ali. Yeah. So he say, "Oh Ali, Sabahul khair." So what is this Sabahul khair? This is a greeting. We should actually include this in our previous lesson, but I forgot to include this. So I put it here. Sabahul khair. This is to say good morning. Sabahul khair means good morning. Yeah. Good morning. Sabahu al khair. Okay, the individual words. So now I'm giving you the individual words. First is the word sabah. Sabah means morning is sabah. Okay, so we say sabah. Sabah is the morning. Morning is sabah. And the next word is khair. And the word khair is good. Goodness. Or good. Yes. So what is sabahul khair? It's like we are saying a morning that is full of greatness or full of goodness. But of course, we just say good morning. Yeah. So sabahu al khair. Okay. So remember this phrase. Sabahul khair. Sabahul khair. Sabahu al khair. And how do you respond to sabahul khair? This is how we respond. Yes. Iqra'u sabahun nur.
Sabahun Nur.
Sabahul nur.
Sabahu nur. Ya, sabahun nur. Sabahun nur. Okay, so sabah. Yes, correct. Sabahun nur. Sabahul khair. Sabahu nur. Sabahun nur. So what is sabahun nur? Basically, it is the same. Good morning. But the individual translation, sabah is of course morning. And nur, this word, nur is actually light. So it's like you are saying, okay, morning that is full of light. Sabahul nur, yeah. But of course, again, we don't translate the word individually. We just say Sabahul khair, good morning. Sabahu An-Nur, good morning. Yeah. So please remember these two phrases. Yeah. Sabahul khair, sabahun nur. This is the standard way of saying good morning. Sabahul khair, sabahun nur. But if you ask your Arab friends, they will give you other phrases. They will say like sabahul ward, sabahul ful, sabahul yasamin, sabah. So where the second word, they will add whatever word that they like. Normally they will use flowers like sabah yasamin. It's like you are saying morning that is full of yasmin. You know what is yasmin? Yasamin in Arabic. What is the English word for that?
Jasmine.
Jasmine, yes. So in Arabic they say Yasamin, Yasmin, Jasmine, yes. So Jasmine is Yasmin, the flower. Sabahul Yasmin, sometimes they say that. But the standard one, we just say Sabahul Khair, Sabahul Nur. Okay, done. This is just the greeting. And then the rest is just his name. Ya Ahmad, Ya Ali, Ya Ahmad. Okay, so that is the first thing, yeah. Greeting, good morning. Okay, now this is something that we have seen in the previous lesson, but let us look at the words. Iqra'u man hadha.
Man hadha.
Again, man hadha.
Man
Man hadha.
Okay, man hadha. Okay, this word hadha. Yes, good. Man hadha. So this word hadha, if you look at the word, the symbol is the short vowel, right? That is the short vowel. But what you heard from me just now, I read it with a long vowel. So yes, this is a special word. This is not even though the symbol is short vowel, but you have to read it with a long sound. So we say haza, haza, and not just haza. Yeah, haza. That is wrong. It is haza. And in some books, they will write this symbol instead. They will write that the mad symbol instead of the normal fatha ha. They will put with the long symbol. So that is why we read it with a long sound. Man haza. Okay. Man. Who remembers what is man? Do you remember the word? In the last lesson, we have learned man anta, ana talib. Man anti, ana ustaza. Anyone remembers the word man? Again?
who?
What is your name?
No, not what. What is ma? What is ma ismuka? This is not ma. This is who. Yes. Who mentioned just now? Aisha or Sakina? Yeah. Who. That is man. Yeah. Man. Man is who. And haza. Haza means this. So man haza. You are asking, oh, who is this person? Who is this person? Yeah. Man haza. Okay. So man haza. All right. So now let us look at the answer. The answer says, Iqra'u. Hadha abi.
Hadha abi.
Hadha abi. Yes. Hadha abi. Okay. So hadha is this. Abi. Okay. Here you have the ya, which is. What is this ya?
My.
My. Good. So what is the word that we attach to this ya? Do you see the word? Okay. But what? How do you read the word?
Abba.
Ab. Abun. Actually, it is abun. Abun. Or you just say ab. And not abi, yeah? Not abi. Abi with the ya is my. So we do not want to say my. We just want to say the word. Okay, the word is abun, and it means father. Abun is father. Okay, so this is the first vocabulary related to the family today. Abun. Abun. Abi. Haza abi. This is my father. Yeah. So in Arabic, we do not need the word is or are. Okay, we just say Haza abi. This father. Very simple. Haza abi. Okay, so that is the first phrase. Yeah. Man haza abi. Man haza abi. Okay. Now let us look at the next questions. Okay, the next question is this one. Yes, iqra'u. Masmu abika.
Masmu abika.
Yes, again. Masmu abika.
Masmu
Masmu abika.
Masmu abi. Yes, masmu abika. Okay, so can you guess what is the meaning of this phrase?
What is your father's name?
What is your father's name? Yes, thank you, Malaika. So what? Where is the word what here?
ma
Ma. Yes, thank you. Yes, Sakina. So this is what? Yeah, ma is what? Where is your father? Your father.
abika.
Abika.
Abika, Mumtaz. Very good. Abika. So Abi is father and Ka is your. And name, of course, the word ism is name. So this is the individual meanings of the sentence, yeah, of the word. Masmu abika. What name of your father is your father? What is your father's name? Masmu abika. And of course, you can always change abika to abiki. If you are asking a woman, then you say masmu abiki. Yeah, this is similar to masmuka and masmuki. Now we want to answer. We want to say, oh, his name is this. This is so and so. How do we say this name? So in our previous lesson, we asked Masmuka, and then you say is me, my name. Now you want to say his name. Now, this is how we say his name. Iqra'u ismuhu Omar.
Ismuhu Umar.
Omar,
Omar.
yes. Ismuhu Omar.
Ismuhu Umar.
Umar.
Omar. Yes. Okay, here, this word. Here we have his name. Can you identify where is his and where is name? So in Arabic, it is very important. Yeah, you look at the word and you should be able to identify parts of the word because they are merged. Sometimes they are combined together. A few words combined together. So here we have two words.
Ismu is name.
Ismu is name. Good.
Who is his?
Yes. So who is his? So here we will learn another pronoun, another domir. How do you say his? This is how do we say his. Yeah, we add who to the end of the word. Ismuka, ismuki. Now we say ismuhu. Yeah, ismuhu. Ismuhu Umar. So his name is Umar. Okay. Masmu abika ismuhu Umar. So this is what we have asked just now. Man haza abi, masmu abika, ismuhu Umar. So everything is related to abi. Any questions so far for this part? Masmu abika?
No.
No. Okay. All right. If there is no question, now look at the other part. So just now it is about abun, father. So now we want to ask about the mother. And then you will see some differences. Okay, between father and mother. Let us see. Okay, the first question. Yes, Iqra'u. Man hadhihi?
Man ha. Man hadhihi.
Again. Man hadhihi?
Man
Hazihi.
Man hadhihi?
Man
Yes. Man hazihi. Yes. Man hazihi. So, man hazihi. So, this hazihi is similar to haza just now, where you have to read with the long vowel. Hazihi. And what is this hazihi? Anybody knows?
Who is she?
Who is she? It is not she.
Oh,
Who is?
who is
This as well. So, man hazihi. Who is this? This is similar to this question. Man haza. So there are two ways for you to ask. Who is this? The first is you say man haza, and the second one you say man hazihi. Okay, so two ways, yeah.
But sir, do we use hazihi only for females?
Yes, that is what we want to look that we want to learn. Yes. So what is the difference between these two, man haza and man hazihi? Haza is used for male. Then because you are asking about the father, you say man haza, haza abi. Then if you look at the answer, he used the word haza. So haza is definitely used for male. And if you want to use for female, you don't say man haza. Yeah, we don't say man haza, so but we say man hazihi. So yes, Malaika, hazihi is for male. At the moment in this lesson, we say hazihi is for, sorry, hazihi is for female, not for male. Hazihi is for female. But later in the advanced lesson, you will learn that, oh, sometimes hazihi, sometimes they are used to refer to other than females. Okay, we will learn that later. But today, we just focus on these two, the difference between these two. Haza is for male and hazihi is for female. Is it okay, Malaika?
Yes, sir.
Okay, yeah, okay. So, man hazihi, what is, oh, sorry, who is this? Not who is she, yeah? Haifa? She, we will learn the word she after this. So, this is still this. And the answer is, iqra'u, hazihi ummi. Yes?
هذه
هذه أمي.
هذه أمي.
Yes, correct. Hazihi ummi. So, do you know what is this word? Ummi.
Mother.
Mother. Okay, good. Yes, ummi means mother. But it is not just mother.
My mother.
My mother. Yes, thank you. Here you have this ya again. So this ya, this means my, and this part, the this is the mother. So how do we write the word mother on its own? This is how you write alif and mim. So write the word, please. Alif and mim. Ummun. So if you want to say a mother, you say ummun. My mother, ummi. Yeah. So this is the word hadhihi ummi. So again, man hadhihi, hadhihi ummi. Yes. Any questions? Okay.
no.
All right. So now the next one. The next one is similar to the previous one. You want to ask, and then who is her name? What is her name? What is her name? So previously we say masmu abika, or you say masmu abiki. This time we change. We say iqra'u masmu ummika.
مسموع
اسم أمك.
Ummika. Masmu ummika. Yeah. Masmu ummika. You can always change ummika to ummiki, your name for female, yeah, your mother's name. So masmu again, masmu what? Ma is what? Ismu is name. Ummi, here again you have two words. The first word is again, which is the mother, and ka is your. So masmu ummika. What is your mother's isim? What is your mother's name? Naam. So this is how we answer. Previously we said, earlier we said ismu for father, we say ismuhu. Remember the word ismuhu for father? His name, we say ismuhu. Now you want to say her name, you change who, you change it to this. Ismuha. Yeah? Ismuha.
اسمها
Yes. So this ha is her. Ismuha. Just now, ismuhu, his. Now we say ismuha, her name. Okay. Yes. Let us read. Ismuha Zainab.
اسمها زينب
اسمها زينب.
Yes, ismuha Zainab. Ismuha Zainab. What does it mean? Ismuha Zainab.
Her name is Zainab.
Yes, her name is Zainab. Her name is Zainab. Okay, good. So this is the first part of our, the first hiwar, yeah? The first hiwar. So we have learned the phrases Sabahul Khair, Sabahul Nur, okay, and then Man Haza, or if it is a female, then you say Man Hazihi, and the response is, of course, Haza, Abi, Haza, Akhi, Hazihi, Hazihi Ummi, yeah? And again, we have learned what is your name? What is your father's name? Masmu Abika, Masmu Abiki. And then you can answer Ismu Abi. Or if you want, you can also say Ismuhu. We're using the who. Ismu ummi, my mother's name, or you can say ismuha, right? Using the pronoun. So this is the first hiwar. Let us now look at the second one. So the second one is basically similar. So you will see similar words, similar phrases with just addition of new vocabularies. Okay, now let us look at this hiwar. The second hiwar, this is between Fatima and Aisha. So Aisha, you have two Aisha here. This is how you write your name in Arabic. Yeah, we say Aisha, Ain Alif, and then you have this. This is Hamza, and this is the what do you say this? This is just how we write Hamza if it is in the middle with the kasra. Aisha too. Yeah. So Aisha. Now let us look at the conversation. Okay. So now this is another greeting. Earlier we say Sabahul Khair, Sabahun Nur, good morning. But now this is in the afternoon or in the evening. You want to say good afternoon, you want to say good evening. This is the phrase. Okay, read after me. Masa'ul Khair.
Masa'ul
Khair.
Yeah, correct. Masa'ul Khair. Yeah, Masa'ul Khair. Masa, can you guess now what is the meaning of masa?
Afternoon.
Afternoon. Yes, afternoon and also evening. Yes, afternoon and evening you say masa. Yeah. So basically masa, they can also use masa until night, until the evening, until 8 p.m., 9 p.m. They also call it masa. Yeah, masa. So masa. Masaul khair, just like sabahul khair. Good afternoon or good evening. Masaul khair ya Aisha. Oh Aisha. And what is the response to masaul khair? Just like we say, we respond to Sabahul Khair, we say Sabahun Nur. Masa'ul Khair, we say, how do you say?
Masa'un Nur.
Masa'un Nur. So it is the same phrase, yeah? Just now we say Sabahun Nur. Now we change to Masa'un Nur. Yeah? Okay, Iqra'u. Masa'un Nur ya Fatimah.
Masa'un Nur ya Fatimah.
Yes, yeah. So remember these two phrases, yeah. Sabahul khair, sabahun nur. One. Masa'ul khair, masa'u nur. Masa'un nur. Okay, done with the greetings. So now, this is again to ask who is this. Earlier, in the first hiwar, we say who is this? Man haza or man hazihi. But this time we want to use a different vocabulary. You want to say who is he? Instead of who is this, you want to say who is he and who is she. These are the words, yeah. To say he or to say who is he, we say this. Iqra'u man huwa.
Man huwa.
Man huwa, yeah. Man huwa. So man huwa, who is? What is the word for huwa?
He.
Of course, huwa means he. So now you can add this to your existing vocabulary, existing pronoun. We have learned anta. You have learned anti, you, right? You have learned ana. So you can add this huwa, in other words, huwa to say he. So who is he? Man huwa. Man huwa. The answers, Aisha says, Iqra'u, huwa akhi.
Huwa ahi.
Yes, huwa akhi. Huwa akhi. Yes, Iqra'u, the rest of you. Huwa akhi.
Huwa
Wa
akhi.
akhi.
Yes, huwa akhi. Huwa akhi. So of course, huwa means he.
He is my brother. He is
He
my brother.
is my brother. Yes, correct. Yes, good. He is my brother. So this ya, you look at this ya again. This is always the my part. And the word brother is here. The word brother is ah. So we take out this word and let us write the word brother. Alif and kha, just two letters. Alif and kha, and this is how you read the word. Akhun.
Akhun.
Akhun. Yeah, so you can say akhun, you can say akh. Akh. Yeah. So akhi, yeah, my brother. My brother. Huwa akhi, he is my brother. Okay, so that is a new word. Akhun. So you have abun, mother. You have ummun, Sorry, abun is father, ummun is mother, and now you have akhun, which is brother. The next phrase is similar. We want to ask, what is his name? What is your brother's name? Just earlier we said masmu abika, masmu ummika. This time we change, we say masmu akhika. And of course, since this is between Fatima and Aisha, we say masmu akhiki. Yes, iqra'u masmu akhiki.
Masmu akhiki.
Masmu akhiki.
Masmu akhiki. So, Majid or Adam, what happened? I don't hear your voice anymore. Masmu akhiki.
Masmu ahi.
Masmu akhiki.
Yes, masmu akhiki. So, masmu, what is name? Akhi, this is the word for brother again. Akh, brother, and ki is your. Masmu akhiki, what is your brother's name? What is the name of your brother? That is the literal translation. Okay, now Aisha says, Iqra'u, Ismuhu Ibrahim.
Ismuhu
Ismuhu Ibrahim.
Yes, Ismuhu
Ibrahim.
Ibrahim. Yes, yes, Ismuhu Ibrahim. Okay, here, which part of the name is his again? Which part of the word is his?
Who?
Who? Good, correct. So here we have two words. Isim is name and who is his. Yeah. So we have learned this. Ismuhu. Ismuhu. Who is his name? Ismuhu Ibrahim. His name is Ibrahim. Okay. So this is for again for brother. Okay. For male. Sorry. For male. Man huwa. Man huwa akhi. Masmu akhika. Ismuhu Ibrahim. Right. So now this is for female. Earlier we said man hazihi, who is this? But now we want to change. We want to say who is her? Who is she? Sorry. Who is she? This is how we ask who is she. Iqra'u man hiya.
Man
Hiya.
Yes. So we have a new word here, hiya. So you can guess what is the meaning of hiya?
She.
She. Yes, correct. Yeah. So hiya means she. Hiya. Hiya. She. Hiya Aisha. Hiya Haifa. Hiya Ma Xiaochun. Hiya. What is he just now? Hiya is she. What is he? Who? I forgot the word already. This is the word. Huwa.
huwa.
Huwa. Yes. Huwa. Yeah. So huwa, for example, I say huwa Adam. Huwa Majid. Huwa. Yeah. So we have huwa. Okay, we go back to this part. Man hiya, who is she? And Aisha says, hiya ukhti. Iqra'u.
Ya ukhti.
Yes.
Ya
Hiya ukhti. Good.
Ya
Hiya ukhti. So hiya ukhti, she is
My sister.
my sister. Again, here you have two words. Ukhti, yeah? Ukhti. The ya is my. This part is sister. Let us write this word. It is alif, kha, and ta. So this is the normal ta. This is the normal ta and not the ta marbuta. So we say ukhtun. Ukhtun. Yes. Ukhtun. Ukhtun. Good. Yes. Ukhti, my sister. Yeah. My sister. Okay. So here, ukhti. Here, ukhti. And the last one is again about her name. What is your sister's name? So this is how we ask. Iqra'u masmu ukhtiki.
Masmu ukhti.
Yes, masmu ukhtiki.
Masmu uhtiki.
Yes, masmu. What is the name of your sister? So ukhti again, the word ukhtun, sister, and ki is your. So what is the name of your sister? Yeah, masmu ukhtiki, and yes, okay. And then we have the answer. Yes, Iqra'u. Ismuha Asia.
Ismuha Asia.
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 Yes, thank you, Adam. Ismuha Asia. So here we have ismu, one word, and of course ha. What is the word ha again? Ismuha?
Her.
Her. Okay, yeah. So this word is her. So her name is Asia. Asia is the name. Yeah, Ismuha Asia. So these are a few phrases that we want to learn today. Again, you want to know, you have learned how to greet, yeah? Sabahul khair, sabahul nur, masaul khair, masa'u an-nur. Next, you learn how to say, who is this? Or who is he? Or who is she? Man haza, man hazihi. Or you can also say man huwa, who is he? Or man hiya. And then of course you answer. Okay, huwa, he. Huwa, who is he? My brother, huwa akhi. My father, huwa abi. Maybe you want to use haza. Haza abi. Haza akhi. Or man hazihi. If you ask about a woman, man hazihi. Hazihi ummi. Hiya ummi. And then you want to ask their names. Masmu. You start with this masmu and then followed by that person. Masmu akhika. What is the name of your brother? Masmu ummika. Masmu abika, and so on. And of course, the answer you can say ismu abi, ismu ummi, or if you want, you can also use the pronoun ismuhu, his name, ismuha, her name. Okay, any question for this part? The conversation, Hiwar, before we do the role play. Before we do that. Yes. Malaika, any question? Haifa?
No, sir.
No,
No.
sir.
Okay, good. If there's no question, then let us do a quick role play. So let me ask, who would like to respond? Who would like to answer me first? Yes,
Me, sir.
me. Who is that? Ma Xiao Chun. Okay, Aisha. Yes, Aisha. Aisha. Masaul khair ya Aisha. Masaul khair.
Um, Sabahul Khairi.
If you
Ya
say
Ustazu.
Sabah is morning. I said masa.
Masahul Khairi. Ya
Ya Ustazu. Yes, correct. Ya Ustaz. Masaul khair ya Ustaz. Okay. Now imagine, yeah, I have a photo. Let's say this is a photo of your family member. So this one, I ask you, Man haza? Man haza. So it is a male or a female? If I ask you, Man haza.
It's female. Oh, male.
Male. It is a male. Okay, so you respond to me. Man haza? Either your father or your brother.
Uh,
Haza.
Haza Abi.
Haza Abi. Good. Okay, now Aisha responded Haza Abi. So I will have to ask, what is your father's name? Because she responded Abi, my father. So my next question is Masmu Abiki. Masmu Abiki.
Ismuhu Umuru.
Oh, good. Ismuhu. Yes, you can say that. Ismuhu.
Umuru.
Oh, not Omar. The name is Omar.
Umara.
You can mention your father's name. Okay, don't stick with our notes. Ismuhu. You want to?
Ismuhu. I have to say my father name right.
Yes.
Ismuhu Hussein.
Ismuhu Hussein. Good. Yes, Ismuhu Hussein. Okay. So this is my question to Aisha. Okay. Now I want Aisha to ask other friend. So Aisha, you choose one of your friends, and then start asking him or asking her. Ask her or ask him. You choose one.
I choose Haifa.
Haifa. Okay, Haifa. Sister Haifa. Listen. Masya, so you are free, yeah? Xiaochun, you are free to say man hazihi or man haza or man huwa or man hiya. You are free. Up to you.
Alright.
Okay.
Sabahul khairi ya Haifa.
Sobahun Nur ya Aisyah.
Man hazihi?
Hmm, Man hazihi ummi.
Masmu ummika?
Aha, not
No.
ummika.
Masmu ummiki?
Yes, good.
Um,
Okay.
Ismuha Izzah.
Ismuha Iza. Yes, correct. Okay, thank you, Aisha. Now Haifa, continue Haifa. Choose one. Ikhtari, I say. Ikhtar, choose.
Malaika.
Malaika. Malaika, yes.
Masaul khair ya Malaika.
Masa'un Nur ya Haifa.
Um, Man hiya?
Sorry.
The answer. Hiya.
Hiya ukhti.
Hiya ukhti. Good. Man hiya, hiya ukhti.
Masmu ukhtiki?
Ismuha Asia.
Aha, Ismuha Asia. Okay, syukran Haifa. Now Malaika, use us another friend.
Okay, Aisha.
Aisha. Aisha Amir, yes.
Subahun Nur ya Aisha.
We don't start with Sabahun Nur. Sabahun Nur is the response.
Subahul khair ya Aisha.
Yes,
Sabahun Nur ya Malaika.
Malaika.
Man haza?
Haza Abi.
Masmuk abika.
Ismuhu Arif.
Ismuhu Arif. Yes, syukran Malaika. Yes, Aisha. Ask another friend. We have Adam, Majid, and Sakina.
Sakina.
Sakina, yes, Sakina.
Ayat.
Masaul khair ya Sakina.
Masahul Naria
Aisha.
Aisha.
Okay, let me make some correction. Aisha, what did you say just now? Masaul khair, yeah? Masaul.
Yes.
Okay, Aisha, the kha, it is not khair. It is not the khair, K, no. It is the khair, Masaul khair. Try again.
Masaul khair.
Khair. Okay, you have to practice on that. It is not ka. It is ha. There is no K sound at all. Ha.
Masahul khair.
That is better. Yes, khair, not khair. Yeah, not khair, but khair. Masaul khair. Yes, correct. So Sakina, answer again. Masaul khair.
Masahul Malia Aisha.
Masa'u. Okay. So you need. It is not masahu. It is masa'u. Masa'u.
Masa'u.
Then the second word, it is not. Earlier I heard you say masahun nar. Nar is no. Nar is wrong. Nar is fire. You are saying afternoon that is full of fire. No, we want to say nur. So different. Nur, yeah. Try again. Masaun nur.
Masa'un Nur.
Yes, that is good. Okay, continue, Aisha. Ask her.
Man hiya.
Manhiya. Who is she? Manhiya.
Hiya Ummi.
Ummi. Good. Hiya ummi.
Masmu ummika. Ummiki.
Good. Masmu ummiki.
Ismaha Rahma.
Rahma. Ismuha Rahma. Yes. Ismuha Rahma. Good. Okay. Yes. Now we continue. Sakina. Thank you, Aisha. Sakina, you ask either Adam or Majid.
Majid.
Majid. Yes, Majid.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Yes.
Masahul Haili ya Majid.
Masaul khairi ya Majid.
Masa'ul khairi Sakina.
Masaul khair, we respond a bit differently. We say Masaun nur.
Masa'un nur.
Ya Sakina.
Ya Sakina.
Ya Sakina.
Man hiya?
Man hiya? Who is she? Man hiya?
Hiya Ummi.
Hiya ummi.
Ummi.
Good. Hiya ummi. She is my mother. Okay, next question. Sakina.
Masmu Ummika.
Ummika. Good. Masmu ummika.
Ismuha Ruqiyah.
Ruqayya. Okay, good. Yes, Usmiha
Ruqayyah.
Ruqayya. Yes, Ruqayya. Actually, the Arabic name is Ruqayya. Ruqayya. Yes. Okay, now, thank you, Sakina. Majid, okay, ask Adam. Yes, Majid.
Masa'ul khairi Adam.
Adam, ya Adam.
Masa'un nur Majid.
Ya Majid. Masaun Nur ya Majid. Okay, continue.
Man haza.
Man haza.
Man haza.
Who is this? Man haza.
Man haza. Haza akhi.
Akhi. Yes, haza akhi. Akhi. Now, yes, he is my brother. Or this is my brother. Yes, next question. Majid, ask her name.
Masmu akhika.
Masmu akhika, correct. Masmu akhika.
Ismuhu Ali.
Ismuhu Ali. Yes, good. Thank you, Majid. Okay, Adam, now you ask me.
What?
Ask me.
Masmu Ali.
Before that, greet me. You greet me. Good morning, good afternoon.
Yes, Masa'u al-Khairi, sir.
Masa'un Nur, ya Adam.
Mahazihi.
Not ma, man hazihi.
Mahazihi.
Man hazihi. Hazihi ukhti.
Ukhti. Masamu ukhtika.
Masmu ukhtika. Try again.
Masmu ukhtika.
Ukhtika. Masmu ukhtika. Ismuha, or I can also say Ismu ukhti Maryam. Okay. Okay, done. Okay, good, everybody. Is there any question regarding this one? Is there any question? No? All right. Yes.
If younger sibling,
Okay, good. What we learned today is akhun. It can be used for younger brother and elder brother. The same with the word ukhtun. It can be used for younger sister and also elder sister, because it just means it means brother or sister. If you want to say my younger brother or my younger sister or elder brother or elder sister, you will have to add one word after the word akhi. Okay, you will have to add one word. So for example, you want to say my brother. This is the word my brother, akhi. And how do you say my younger brother? You will have to add another word. We will learn this word later, but today I will just show you. Yeah, you will say akhi as-saghir. Akhi as-saghir. So basically, you add this word to the word akhi. Just like English, you say brother, elder brother, younger brother. So you need to add an additional word. Okay, Haifa. So this is one example.
okay.
Akhi as-saghir. So we will see this later, inshallah.